Let's go to the other side.
Hey, kitty. Is this better than your crying video? This is to prove to the world that you don't just cry, that you have very peaceful moments. Moments of pure enlightenment. Content. Uh-oh, she's gonna cry. Hey.
I think she's gonna poop is what's gonna happen.
Oh, she's gonna poop. Okay. Those are moments of bliss too. You've had your best smiles before poops. Actually, your only smiles. Well, this is getting boring. Do something.